What if you woke up tomorrow morning and everything on your to-do list was already done? Not because you worked all night, not because you paid someone, but because an AI did it while you were sleeping. Hello, welcome back to Anna's English channel. I'm Anna, and with me as always, Leo.
Hi, everyone. Anna, I need this in my life, right now.
Don't we all? Today, we are talking about a new kind of AI. Not the kind that answers questions, the kind that actually does things. Plans, decides, acts, all by itself. It's called an AI agent, and right now, it is the most talked about word in technology.
I keep hearing it everywhere, but I never really understood it.
After today, you will. And you will understand it better than most people, even people who work in tech. Let me tell you what happened to my friend Sarah. Sarah runs a small business. She sells handmade jewelry online. Every Monday morning, she does the same things. She checks her emails. She replies to customers. She looks at which products sold the most last week. She writes a short post for social media. She updates her online shop. Every Monday, the same 5 things. It takes her about 3 hours.
3 hours just for the admin work?
3 hours. Before she could even start making her jewelry. So, her friend told her to try an AI agent. She set it up on a Sunday night. The next Monday morning, she woke up, made her coffee, and all 5 things were already done.
Wait, while she was sleeping?
While she was sleeping. The agent had read her emails and drafted replies. It had checked her sales data. It had written a social media post. It had updated her shop. All by itself, without her asking each time.
That is not an assistant. That is a superpower.
That is exactly what an AI agent is. Not a tool you use, a tool that works for you. And that is the key difference we are talking about today. Okay, let's make this simple. You already know what a regular AI chatbot is, right? You ask it a question, it answers. You ask another question, it answers again. Every single time you have to ask, it waits for you. Think of it like a very smart calculator. A calculator doesn't do anything until you press the buttons.
Right, it just sits there.
Exactly, it just sits there. But an AI agent is different. You give it a goal, not a question, a goal. Organize my inbox. Research the best laptops under $500 and give me a comparison. Book a restaurant for Saturday night near my office. And then, it figures out the steps by itself. It takes those steps, it checks the results, and it keeps going until the job is done.
So I don't have to tell it every step.
You just tell it where you want to go. It figures out how to get there.
So a chatbot is like a taxi driver who only moves when you say turn left or turn right. And an AI agent is like a taxi driver who you just tell, take me to the airport, and they handle everything else.
Leo, that is a perfect analogy.
Write that down, everyone. Chatbot, you give directions. Agent, you give the destination.
Now, I want to give you 3 simple ideas. 3 things that make an AI agent different from a regular chatbot. Are you ready?
Ready?
Number 1, an agent can plan. You give it a goal. It breaks that goal into steps by itself. It decides what to do first, second, third. You don't have to do that thinking. It does.
Like a project manager.
Exactly like a project manager. Number 2, an agent can use tools. It can search the internet, it can open files, it can send emails, It can book things. It can read your calendar. A regular chatbot can only talk to you. An agent can actually do things in the world.
It can send emails by itself?
If you give it permission, yes. Which brings us to number 3. An agent can make decisions. While it is working, it sees the results of each step, and it decides what to do next. If something doesn't work, it tries a different way. It doesn't stop and ask you every 5 minutes. It keeps going.
So to summarize, an AI agent can plan, it can use tools, and it can make decisions, all by itself. That is actually a little bit mind-blowing.
Just a little bit. Now, I have to be honest with you. AI agents are amazing, but they can also go very, very wrong. Let me give you an example.
Oh, is this a horror story?
A little bit. Imagine you tell your AI agent, "Book me the cheapest flight to Paris." Simple, right? But you forgot to say when. You forgot to say from which city. You forgot to say how many bags. The agent, being very efficient, finds the cheapest flight it can. A flight from a different country, leaving in 45 minutes.
No.
It did exactly what you asked. Cheapest flight to Paris. The problem was your instructions, not the agent. This is the most important lesson about AI agents. They are only as good as the goal you give them. Garbage in, garbage out.
So, be very specific. Very specific.
Very specific. Think of it like giving instructions to a very literal-minded person. If you say, "Clean the house," they might throw away something important, because technically it was mess. You have to say exactly what you mean.
I actually know someone like that. His name is not important.
We all know someone like that. Vocabulary time. 3 words today, all connected to AI agents. Repeat after me. Word 1. Agent. A-G-E-N-T. Agent. In normal English, an agent is someone who acts on behalf of another person. A travel agent books trips for you. A real estate agent finds houses for you. In AI, an agent does tasks for you, automatically, independently. Example sentence. I used an AI agent to organize my emails while I was on holiday.
That is the dream.
The dream. Word 2. Autonomous. A-U-T-O-N-O-M-O-U-S. Autonomous. Autonomous means able to work independently, without being controlled every step. A self-driving car is autonomous. An AI agent is autonomous. Example sentence. The AI agent worked autonomously. I didn't have to check on it every 5 minutes.
Autonomous. That's a big word for a big idea.
It is, but the idea is simple. It works by itself. Word 3. Workflow. W-O-R-K-F-L-O-W. Workflow. A workflow is a series of steps you do regularly to complete a task. Every Monday, Sarah checks emails, replies, checks sales, posts on social media, updates her shop. That is her workflow. An AI agent can learn your workflow and do it for you. Example sentence. I gave the AI agent my morning workflow, and now it handles everything before I wake up.
I want that workflow. Can the agent also make my coffee?
Not yet, Leo. Not yet. So, what did we learn today?
An AI agent is not just a chatbot. You give it a goal. It plans. It uses tools. It makes decisions. All by itself.
And the 3 vocabulary words?
Agent. Autonomous. Workflow.
Perfect. And the most important thing to remember?
Be very specific with your instructions, or your agent might book you a flight that leaves in 45 minutes from the wrong country.
Exactly. Now, your turn. If you had an AI agent, what is one task you would give it? Something you do every week that you don't enjoy. Tell us in the comments. In English if you can. Even just a few words is wonderful.
Mine is writing emails. 100%.
Mine too, Leo. Don't forget to subscribe to Anna's English channel. Every week, we are here to help you breathe, speak, and live in English. Next episode, we are going to talk about something that makes a lot of people nervous. AI and jobs. Will AI take your job? Or will it give you a better one? The answer might surprise you.
I was very surprised. See you next time.
Goodbye for now.